What's up, Kid Too Technical? I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I have a box sitting in front of me. This was sent out to me from LG. So I want to say thank you to LG for sending out this box. I already know what's in it. Some of my subscribers might not know what's in it. But let's get into this unboxing. This is my first time ever getting a reviewer's box like this. Uh-oh, sorry. It's kind of heavy. So let's get it open. As you can see here, we are in the box. This is from LG for the LG. As you can see, this is the reviewer's guide that I have here. Tells me a little bit about the device. What's in a name, why velvet, the main features. As you can see, I don't know how well the camera's picking that up. The main features. This is 5G. The look. I'm really hyped about this device. The experience. It says get into it. It says get creative. Capture the moment. It says the performance. Telling you about how it's optimized. It's a 5G performance, which where I live right now there currently is no 5G working well, and there is no 5G right now for cricket, but they're talking about 5G, so we shall see how that goes. It says do more at once. The details, and here are all the different colors you can get. The LG Velvet, but of course in the United States there's only the Aurora Silver, so that is the color that I have. And that's it for the book. That's a nice little book, nice little touch from LG. Set aside, then you get LG Velvet design. Some information there. You can pause the video and read it if you want to. I'll leave it up. I'll put it right there. Put that aside. Get another card about the LG Velvet. You can pause the video and read that if you want to. Put that aside. So now let's get into the box and get to the goodies. Get to the goodies. Okay, so now we're in. So I get a case from Design Skin. They sent me a case. I'm gonna open this up. Okay, it's nice. They sent me one with a puppy dog on it, and I get a paw print. That's nice though, from Design Skin. So you have a case for your LG Velvet if you don't already have one. But like I said, this is the reviewer's unit, so when you pick it up from at&t, you will not get the box or the dual screen or any of these goodies in here. So just keep that in mind. But you're still getting a nice phone. Okay, so now we have the LG Velvet phone soap sanitizer. This, I really like this. I've really been wanting one of these to keep my devices sanitized, keys, AirPods, you know, anything. So this is a nice touch. LG, thank you. I will be using this every day, because you should keep your devices clean, especially since we're dealing with the coronavirus. But hey, you should keep your devices clean even when you're not dealing with the coronavirus. So this is a nice touch. I'll put that aside for now. And then you get the cable to charge up the device to use it. So that's what that looks like. USB Type-C. Okay, here is the device. I'm gonna put that aside for right now. And here is the LG dual screen display. I never had a device with a dual screen display, so as you can tell, I'm very hyped for this. Alrighty, so that's it with the box. And I will keep this box. I'm not going to get rid of it, I don't think, because this is too nice to get rid of. Put that aside for now. Okay, for the unboxing of the device. Let me tell you, like I said, I have the 128 Aurora Silver. They sent me the Aurora Silver version. So it says at&t. Let's get into it. Like so. I always love getting a new device, whether it be a review unit or something I pay for. So as you can see, you are greeted with that nice lovely device. Woo, look at that. It's amazing to me. Put that to the side. Okay, and like with at&t, it says it can wait. Distracted driving is never okay, and that is so right. Please do not text and drive. It can wait. So now let's see what else we get in the box. You get some books, information about how to set up the phone, but I do not need these. And you also get a warranties guide, so you can sign up for that if you want to. I don't know how well the camera's picking that up, but you can sign up for that if you want to. I'll probably sign up for that. You get your charging cable, your charging brick, as you can see. Charging brick. LG charging brick. And you get your handy dandy SIM ejection tool. You can never have enough of those, so this will just add on to my collection. And you also get a USB to USB-A type cable, so we're going to put that back in the box just for now, like so. Keep everything nice. I'll probably hold on to this box as well. Put everything back in my box. Alrighty. So far, so good. Alright. Put that aside. So, first, let's open up the device. Peel off this plastic. Ooh, this is a big device. This is a 6.8-inch screen. 8-inch screen. That's nice. That is nice. Pull off my little information. Yeah, it says this device is not for sale, so I won't be selling this. I'll be keeping this for a long time to go. Without all of my information in there, and then I go do a factory data reset and restart my devices all over again. I don't know why, it's just something that I do, and I will be doing that on this device. So there is the 5G connection. It is back on the phone. This is a real tall device, let me tell you that, but it feels nice, and I love a big phone. This does not have an AMOLED display, an OLED display. So now let's try out this case to see how it feels on the device. That feels nice. Nice little look. Nice look and touch there. With that nice little curve. I'll probably put this up against my TCL10 Pro. I might. We shall see. I might. But anyways, for a size comparison, I'm going to bring in my TCL10 Pro and just see, because I know it's bigger. It's a heck of a lot bigger than the TCL10 Pro. But I wanted to do this because they both have a curved display. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. Whoa, by a lot. It's a lot bigger, a lot taller, and it's a lot thinner than the TCL 10 Pro. Okay, so that's that. But it looks nice. It's nice. I like the feel of it. It's not too heavy, but it is it's light, but it's not too light. So I'm gonna put that down for now. And now I'm going to open up this dual screen display. I'm really hyped for this. I've never had a device with a dual screen display, and I've heard a lot of good things about this dual screen display, so we shall see. So I get that silver color since for my device, it matches my device. Pull it out like so. Huh, that's nice. Look at that. It's a whole nother screen in here. I like that. Get your little plug for it. I'll have to keep up with that. And you get your little information guide. I might look at this because like I said, this is my first time having a device with a dual screen display. But it feels nice. No fingerprints. This almost reminds you of like a flip cover case with the, because you get the little notification indicator right there. Pull the little sticker off. Let me try to insert my device in here real quick. You have to slide it in like so, and then push it in like that, and you get the little thing to let you know that the dual screen is on, and boom, you have your dual screen display right there. I don't know how well you can see that. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll have more videos coming. I'll have a video talking about the dual screen display, and as the dual screen display is on, yes, it does add a lot of weight to the device. Not too much. I don't know. I might just use this dual screen display when I'm at home chilling and doing stuff. I probably won't go out in the public with the dual screen display in there because it's going to look real weird in my pockets. But just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll have more coverage of my LG Velvet with the dual screen display. And I want to say thank you again for LG, because I'm not a big YouTube channel, but they saw fit to send me out a device to review. So just thank you, and I'll be back with more videos. I'm out.